Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to share with you one of the biggest airdrop, which is a 100% legit airdrop and one of the biggest airdrops. So please don't miss this airdrop and you must join this airdrop right now because it may give you huge earnings, very huge earnings. It's already supported by very big projects and it is supported by a very big team and it has a strong base. So you must not miss this project airdrop. So just move on to our telegram channel Hidden Airdrop Finder. If you didn't join this, then please click on the description link and join my telegram channel where I just share with you the best airdrop. So this is our Solanium airdrop. So this is our airdrop. So just need to, if you didn't create a wallet, then you need to click create a wallet on www.solid.io site. So just click on this first step and create a wallet. After you create a wallet, just save your private key in a very safe place and don't share it with anyone. Once you just save it in a good place, and once you do log out, when you do log out, you just need to log in with your key phrase only. So save it in a very safe place and don't share it with anyone, because that will only be able to give you access to your account once you log out. So after you log into solid.io, you just need to go here, second step, go to the second step, click on this link right now and just open it on any browser. After you open it on any browser, a page like this will appear. So here you need to do is click on connect wallet and then click on Solid. So this is Solid, is the only which you just created the wallet right now. So just click on Solid. After you have already logged in with your wallet, just need to enter the password with which you have used to sign up during registration. So after you enter the password and click on unlock, then you just need to click on this button, approve. Click on this button and click on connect. After you click on connect, your wallet will be successfully linked with this site. So then you just need to click on verify wallet. Do this first step, click on verify wallet and a page will appear like this. A page will appear here and click on approve here, and then after you click on approve, your wallet will be verified. Then you just need to move on to our second telegram task. Second task is to connect your telegram. So just click on this task and then click on connect. A page will appear, then click on connect and your telegram account will be connected with which you have signed up recently in your telegram app. So the telegram account will be connected by following the second step. So then after you need to connect your email. Once you have verified once you have connected your telegram, then you need to go to the third step and enter your email and then click on connect. After you connect your third, then you have done this task also. The fifth task is this, you need to verify, but you don't need to do this task as it's a public sale lottery task and we don't want to participate on public sale. We only want to participate on airdrop, and as you can see here, we have already got one ticket. So we only need to participate in airdrop. So skip this fifth task of verification. Don't verify, because you just need to participate in airdrop. You don't need to participate in public sales. So just skip this fifth task, and now you just need to scroll down. You are showing here that you have one ticket and this is your referral link. So if you want to share and earn more amount of tickets and more money, then you just can share this referral link with your friends and just gain more number of tickets, and so that you can earn more huge earnings. Well friends, referral is not mandatory, so if you don't want to refer, then you can skip referring, and you just already have one ticket right here which you can get huge earnings for you. So if you want more earnings, then you can also do refer and share this referral link with your friends. Friends, I also want to share with you one more task which you can get you an extra one ticket. So here you can see that you have one ticket, and when you just need to scroll down, and then you just need to see that click here to register, and this registration is for Twitter event, so which will give you one extra ticket. So just need to click on this link, and after you click on this link, then you just need to click on follow at the rate solanium.io on Twitter. So click on follow button. After you click on follow button, your Twitter account will open. Their Twitter account will open, and just wait for that to open. So friend, it's showing like this, follow. Click on follow and just scroll down, then just click on like and let's just go back to this, retweet this tweet. After you have followed this, then go back to this page, then click on retweet this tweet and tag 3 friends. So just click on this tweet, click on this blue link and just scroll down, just click on like, and you now just need to click on this button. After you click on this button, then you need to click on cure tweet, and after you click on cure tweet, then you just need to add the rate your tag your friends. So just need to tag any of your 3 friends, and after you click on So let's just tag any of your 3 friends. After you do this, after you have tagged your 3 friends, then you just need to click on retweet. After you click on retweet, you just need to go back to the page and submit the link of your tagged tweet. So to get the link of your tagged tweet, you just open the Twitter account, and after you open the Twitter account, let's just wait for it to open. After you open the Twitter account, click on top left 3 bars and open your profile. After you open your profile, you just need to see that you have, this is the tweet which you retweet, which you have done with tweet tagged with your friends. So just click on the share button, and click on copy link. After you copy this, you just need to go back to this page and paste it here in the box. So then click on save. After you click on save, it will show something like this, tweet saved. Now just need to scroll down and see how much tickets you have got. So here it's showing that you have got 2 tickets. So friends, that's what I wanted to tell you. So you have now here 2 tickets, and now you have successfully joined this airdrop, done all the steps. So I hope you like this video. So please don't miss this airdrop, and please support, like, share and subscribe, and also join my Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder, where I give you the best airdrops. So thank you.